Grab my silencer. It's right there.
I want to stand.
Yeah.
Oh, ha.
Yeah, I must warn you, the silencer does get hot.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a car muffler will get hot. The silencer will get hot. I was quite impressed that all my 357 Magnum rounds hit. Alright. Alright. Empty chamber indicator is out. We're doing the 50-yard one, so the middle.
I don't know if I've shot any of these yet.
Okay, taking my hearing protection off so that.
Have I shot any of these red
Okay.
enemies yet?
Okay. I see a root beer can, enemy root beer can.
Oh, dead.
Alright, so the enemy root beer can. That's about, what, 75 yards?
Mm-hmm. Maybe.
Ish. Need to find it in the scope. Original direction. Probably two.
Short?
You gotta be able to shoot in any kind of environment, George. Well, trying to find the target first. I need to move to the left a little bit.
Okay.
So that I'm looking straight at it. Okay, I see the can in my crosshairs. And the trouble is, any slight movement and you're off by quite a bit. Hit it, but it didn't puncture it. And I hit the edge. It's tilted now.
Uh-oh.
So I did hit it. All right, Doug is trying out the Ruger Precision Rimfire. You're doing the 50 first, right? I know. You're a little to the right. Now you're getting closer.
Oh, there it is.
Yep. And I'd set it for 75.
Now we're gonna go for the far one. I think that's farther than 75.
It's close to 75. Somewhere between 75 and 100. It's definitely not 100. 100 would be like at the end of the trees there.
This doesn't go out anymore?
No.
This is just for you. I see it. They see it.
Okay. Center on the sights.
I hit it.
You hit it, just the rim, so.
Or you hit close enough to trim the can.
Yep. That's what I did.
I saw the can span.
No, it didn't explode.
You got it. Now take the magazine out.
That's cool. The magazine release is.
Same as. It's right underneath. Yep, there.
I feel it somewhere. I'm not sure how to make it.
It's right here. Move.
Yeah.
Move forward. Pull the round out. Load the empty round chamber.
That was fun, George. The exact same thing you did. Where the
Yeah, you hit the can first. Do you see the can in the scope?
Yep.
All right. I could barely see that can. You got it.
got it.
Eject and remove. No, another round unless you want to shoot another round.
Sure.